Hello, this is Tim Nadlings from Keve Girls, presenting Coasave. I'm Ilide Skaliche, the marketing officer.
I'm Michelle Kagigi, the financial manager.
I'm Zoe Nasimiu, the executive officer.
I'm Stacy Mapungu, the technology officer.
Vanessa Kingi, strategy officer. Sexual violence undermines the health, dignity and security of its victims, yet it remains shrouded in a culture of silence and fear. To address this, we focus on sexual violence as a result of sexual assault and developed Coasave, an app that incorporates an edutainment approach to ensure that every youth gets the know-how of tackling sexual assault.
In her high school life, my sister was a shy girl. On completion, she got a boyfriend, and with him came the pressure of engaging in sex. Being so naive, shy, and having inadequate knowledge in matters of sexual violation and its consent, she was forced to engage in sex in the name of appeasing her boyfriend. This being her first experience, she was so depressed that she ended up in hospital. Maybe to say the least, she was mortified. Had she known that coercion into sex is wrong and one does not have to consent to sex in the name of appeasing the other partner, definitely she could have avoided the embarrassment.
To paint a picture why sexual violence has remained masked in silence and fear, a recent study revealed that 11% of men and 21% of women aged 10 to 24 in Kenya have experienced sexual violation in their lifetime, and out of these, only 23% of women and 22% of men told someone close about this experience. This means that most victims do not find solutions for their problems, which leads to consequences such as physical injuries, depression, sexually transmitted diseases, early pregnancies, suicide, just to name a few.
Coasave, addressing the issue, can be broken down into four major aspects. First, education. Coasave enables one to play a trivia game on matters of sexual coercion and relationships. When one answers the questions correctly, he or she gets more points, hence advancing in the levels. There's also a reward for one who plays the game daily. Second, Coasave enables one to text, call, or email a counselor. Third, help acquisition. Coasave enables one to locate a nearby police station, hospital, or where he or she was after the assault. Fourth, chat room. Now this is the most interesting part of our app, where one is enabled to anonymously view stories, share and seek advices from people who have undergone the same situations. Knowing that one is not all alone in such situations definitely gives them the courage to face their own situations.
In Kenya, 2 out of 3 youths who are estimated to be at just 19 million either own a smartphone or have access to one. Our target market being the youth, Coasave clearly has a large market size. Although Coasave faces competition from B-Sex, Circle of Six, and Good to Go, Coasave is more comprehensive as it offers a platform for learning and daily interactivity. We will earn our revenue from companies that will pay for us to advertise their products on our app, making our projectable profit to be 100,000 shillings within the past 12 months. We aspire to grow and introduce the app not only in Kenya, but also in East Africa, Africa, and finally the globe.
Having knowledge on what to do when one is being assaulted will have saved my friend's sister a whole lot of pain and psychological torture. It should be clear that the only way to end sexual assault is through better disciplinary policies, better education, and adapting an old-fashioned empathy. And as the saying goes, kidogo kidogo hujaza kibaba. The little the change, the bigger the difference. Coasave.
We are here for you.